The All Ordinaries Index is just 2% off the pre-pandemic peak. The miners are 14% above it and the banks are 10% below it. And the Australian market as a whole is just the average of those two sectors, really. Today it was the banks' turn to do well because analysts are now saying that they're going to ride the recovery. Amcor also went up a lot, but BHP led the miners lower. The US market also had another strong session, but GameStop fell another 60% last night to $90. So it looks like that particular game has stopped. And silver lost what it picked up yesterday, so if that was the Redditors' next target, it didn't last long. Also, the iron ore spot price fell 4.6%. And the Australian dollar has drifted ever so slightly lower. Finally, a few graphs from the Reserve Bank Governor Philip Lowe's speech today, which I think sum up what he's on about. First, unemployment is much lower than forecast in August, but as Dr Lowe said, it's still higher today than it's been for almost 2 decades. And that has contributed to wage growth being the lowest in decades as well. The aim of monetary policy now is to get wages up, which requires a much tighter labour market. And having cut interest rates as far as possible, the Reserve Bank is now trying to achieve that by printing money. Its balance sheet, which just adds up the assets that have been bought with money that was materialised from thin air on the RBA computers, has increased by $160 billion in 12 months. And yesterday, Dr Lowe said another $100 billion would be brought into existence after April. Money doesn't grow on trees, you know. It grows on the RBA's computer. And that's finance. Thanks for watching. You can check out more finance news by clicking there. And don't forget to click subscribe down there to get all the latest updates from ABC News.